So did you ever shoot a close-up macro image and have a hard time getting everything in focus? I certainly have. Come back after the intro and we're going to talk about focus stacking. The other day I was playing around with a macro lens, shooting close-up images of everything. Macros give you a much shallower depth of field than a regular lens, so you just get a sliver that's in focus and everything gets blurrier the further away it is from the focus plane. It's a cool look, but a couple of times I wanted everything in focus from front to back. No problem, right? Just close down my aperture to f32 and try again. But I found the picture still wasn't ticky-tack sharp all the way through. That's when I remembered a technique called focus stacking, and I'm here to tell you it's super easy to pull off. All you do is shoot multiple overlapping images with different areas of the image in focus, and then combine them all together in the computer after the fact. There's a few things you want to make sure to do. Of course, you should use a tripod. Couple of reasons. First, the images all need to be as close to lined up as possible. It'll just make things easier in post. But more importantly, if you use a low ISO for highest image quality, then your shutter speed might be kind of slow and you don't want any camera shake at all. Another thing is that you want to use manual exposure so your pictures are the same brightness. Otherwise, it'll get all funky when you combine them. Lastly, I like to use the lens's sweet spot, which is about 2 or 3 stops down from wide open. Most lenses are sharpest right there, so if you're using a 2.8 lens, then you want to be between 5.6 and f8. Your mileage may vary, but that's what you should aim for if sharpness is your goal. So just start in the front, shoot a picture, then change your focus to get the next part in focus, then repeat over and over until you've covered the entire subject. In the computer, you can use dedicated software to combine the images, or just do what I do, use Photoshop. Simply put all the images on separate layers in one document, use the Auto Align command to make sure everything is lined up, and then go to Auto Blend Layers and pick Stack Images. If you're a control freak, there are manual ways to accomplish the same thing, but this is 2-minute tips after all, and I don't have that kind of time. Use the Auto Blend and you're done and done. Tack sharp from front to back. So listen, I hope you're already subscribed to the Adorama YouTube channel, right? If not, click that button below and get on in here. You'll get a new tip from me every Monday at 11 a.m. Eastern and lots of other free photo videos throughout the whole week. Make sure you follow me on social media at David Bergman, and maybe I'll see you at a live talk or workshop soon. See you later.